Ready?
Yep. Ooh. I think we got a dud. Alright, so let's see here. Now, can you shoot pistols left-handed or right-handed? Or is it always okay? So you load the mag up, right?
Yep.
You just cock it back.
Yep.
And that's it. So
You got a one-handed or two-handed?
yeah, okay. Is there a better way I should hold it?
Yeah.
I'm left-handed.
You're left-handed, so you just want to, but for me, I'm right-handed.
Yeah.
So I hold like this.
Yeah.
You just kind of brace yourself at the bottom.
Okay. Okay. And then what's the safety on it? Is this the safety?
Heavy trigger. That's the safety.
That's it.
Yeah. There's no actual like safety switch.
Okay.
Woo.
My group's higher than yours. Ooh. You know, that's honestly though, that's still a good distance for. I don't know what pistols are sort of like what range pistols are meant for.
Short distance.
More accurate than my short shotgun. Think I can hit a gong?
Police, don't move.
Drop the weapon!
Yeah.
Yeah! Woo! You ever see a Point Break with Keanu Reeves?
I got one. We're good to go. Kill shot.
Done.
Party on, Wayne. Party on, Gar.
Oh yeah.
We've been hitting this? That's racist.
Excuse me. I'm out here jihading it up. Holy war. Holy war.
They added a bunch more guns on the prohibited list.
See this bitch? Look at that.
They haven't banned it.
See that old cool too. But I thought, no, before that, didn't they ban handguns altogether?
No, they're in the middle of it. It's never. I don't think it happened yet.
So you can still buy handguns if you have our pal? Okay, maybe I misunderstood. Fucking, oh, this is, look at that stovepipe. I think it's these rounds. Bitch, these are trash. It's alright. This blazer ammo is the cheapest one you can get. Every round? Have you ever oiled this thing up?
It's still oil from factory, but there's more oil here in the thing.
Kind of thinking up. No. Okay, well, I'm gonna put these in here, and we'll see what's going on with those. Think about it, you know. It's like with the handgun, like, okay, it's 30 cents for a clay and 50 cents for a shell. Is there a strike?
Yep.
I wonder if it's striking light. We can try the Winchester next and see if it makes a difference. Okay. Okay. Yep.
Got a thing of lube in here.
That's what it is. I'm just guessing. I'm not I don't actually know. Let's try this ammo because this one is better quality. I'm not better quality.
Yeah, just put the one in there.
See, I don't see a mark.
Yeah. Probably needs to be lubed up.
Okay. Oh. That's kind of familiar. Okay. Maybe we can go shoot some shotgun.